Pre-intermediate 18. Urbanization and its challenges. Urbanization is the process where more and more people move from rural areas to live in cities. Today, more than half of the world's population lives in urban areas, and this number is expected to grow. Cities offer many opportunities, such as better jobs, better education, and more entertainment options. However, rapid urbanization also creates significant challenges. One of the most obvious problems is overcrowding, which leads to high housing costs and traffic congestion. Many people in big cities spend hours every day commuting to work, which reduces their quality of life and increases pollution. Another challenge is the pressure on public services like healthcare, water, and electricity. When a city grows too quickly, the government may struggle to provide these services to everyone. This can lead to the growth of slums or poor neighborhoods where living conditions are very difficult. Furthermore, the loss of green spaces in cities can have a negative impact on mental health and the environment. To solve these problems, urban planners need to focus on sustainable development. This includes building better public transport systems, creating more parks, and ensuring that housing is affordable for everyone. While cities are the centers of innovation and culture, we must manage their growth carefully to ensure they remain healthy and livable for future generations.